Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your password manager security with 1Password travel mode, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the 1Password app on your device. Log into your 1Password account using your master password. Once you're logged in, locate the travel mode option in the app settings. Select travel mode to access its configuration menu. Read through the overview to understand how travel mode works. Tap on Enable Travel Mode to prepare your vault for travel. Choose the vaults you want to include in travel mode. Consider selecting only the vaults with essential information for your trip. After selecting the vaults, confirm your choices to activate travel mode. Now, your non-essential items will be temporarily hidden. It's important to review the list of items that will be hidden. Make sure you have all necessary credentials for your trip accessible in the selected vaults. When you're ready to travel, ensure your device is synced. Travel with your device and access your passwords as needed. Once your trip is complete, reopen the 1Password app. Navigate back to the travel mode settings. Select the option to disable travel mode to restore all hidden items. Review your full vault to ensure everything is back in place. Make any necessary changes to your vaults before your next trip. Always keep your 1Password app updated for optimal security. Remember to practice safe password management even while traveling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.